When we talk about the birds, the main one is the eagle. The eagle is a special one for us, and we respect it the most because it's the one that flies the highest. The eagle is also our messenger because of how high it can fly, and it can take our message to the sky world. The eagle has such keen sight and a very powerful voice. This was given for a reason. And the great white pine, which is the one that peaks the crest of the forest, is the highest tree, and on top of that tree is where the eagle sits. Due to its keen sight, the responsibility of the eagle is to look out for any danger and to use its shrill voice to warn us of danger. This also reminds us of our responsibilities as well as people. We too should be watching out for danger and helping each other when something dangerous is coming our way. There are many important messages we can learn from the birds on how we are to interact with each other. Also, some birds give us their lives as food so that we can nourish ourselves. When we take a bird or animal, we use all of its parts so that nothing goes to waste. Nothing is discarded. Everything is useful. We revere how precious the birds are, and so we give greetings, love, and respect to the birds for everything they do. This is how our minds are to be.